First, prepare the beef. Take 2 pounds of beef stew meat, cut into cubes. Toss these cubes with a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Now, it's time to brown the beef. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add the beef and cook until it's browned on all sides. Once browned, transfer the beef to the crock pot. Next, sauté the vegetables. In the same skillet, add a large chopped onion and 2 minced cloves of garlic, cooking until they are soft and translucent. Add these to the crock pot as well. Now, to the crock pot, add 4 cups of beef broth, 2 cups of diced tomatoes, 2 peeled and sliced carrots, 2 sliced celery stalks, 2 bay leaves, a teaspoon of dried thyme, and salt and pepper to taste. Stir to combine all the ingredients. The broth, tomatoes, and herbs add layers of flavor to the stew, while the carrots and celery add a bit of crunch and color. Set your crock pot to low and let it do its thing. Cook for 7 to 8 hours, or until the beef is tender and the vegetables are cooked through. When it's ready, discard the bay leaves. Serve the hot stew over 2 cups of cooked white rice. The rice adds a bit of heartiness to the stew and soaks up all those delicious juices. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.